CT Outdoor Show. We got a first flag of the year. Woohoo! I cut my finger on this blade. Getting cold, so I was sweating. It's not spinning. No, it's spinning. It's got it. It's got it. Let him eat it. Come on, sucker. Oh, got something on there. Perch. Ooh, good fish. Real good fish. Probably a white perch. A little pike. Little pike. Little pike on there. Cool. Now, huge pickerel. Big pickerel. Yep, good to go. Drop it on, CT Outdoor Show. I don't want to get all slimy. Come on, dude. Back in the hole before you freeze. There you go. Whoop, there you go. Drop it on, CT Outdoor Show. Big pickerel. Bye now. Look at that beautiful sunrise.